Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a free auto blog website using WordPress, and it is going to be totally free. Stay with me on this video and let's get it done.
Okay guys, this is what we'll be creating by the end of the video. This, you can see how it is. It was all generated and posted by AI. So don't forget to like and subscribe if this is your first time coming to my page. So let's get started. Alright guys, the first thing we'll be needing is a domain name and a hosting. So I'll be using Infinity Free. Infinity Free offers us a free subdomain, a free SSL certificate, and also free hosting. And as you can see, I already have a free subdomain that Infinity Free also gave me. You can also get your free SSL certificate over here, but I've already done that, so I'll be going straight to the point. The next thing you want to do is go over to Sportalicious installer. Right over here, you want to install WordPress. So we'll be using WordPress, so you click on install. Alright, because I have SSL certificate, so I'll be going with HTTPS to show that my website is secured, and also make sure that this is in the latest version. Fill in the necessary information over here. So just have to do this. Let's just say admin. Over here and put a password. You can use the one that has give there, or you create a new one. You just input a new password and then you install. Right, it is installing, so you just have to wait for a little while. It won't take enough time. Alright, it has been installed successfully. So right here you will see the website, and over here you will see the admin panel. So we'll be going to the admin dashboard. Alright guys, we are on the admin user dashboard. So the next thing we want to be doing is go over to your post and click on categories, and then you go over to ChatGPT. As you can see, I already told ChatGPT give me 5 categories of blog news and relevant keywords to give my website a high ranking. Also separate the word with commas. So this is what it gave me over here. So the first thing I want to do is copy this and paste it inside here, and then add categories. Do the same thing to all of them. You can use a proper keyword research for your blog website or any website you are creating, but I'll just be going with the one. I'll just be using ChatGPT to just get this for this tutorial only. So alright, after doing that, what we want to do now is install a theme that I'll be using. So I'll be using this theme code. Let's go to add new theme, and then click on news blogger. Alright, this is what we will be using. You just click on install, and then you activate it. Alright, after it's done, what you want to do next is you go back to plugins and click on add new plugins. Over here you click on upload, then you choose file. Like I'll be dropping the download links of where you can get this file from. So this is the WP content pilot. This is what you'll be using to generate the AI content to your website and also publish it. I'll be dropping the link on the description. Then now you click on install. Login. Alright, it has been activated successfully. So what you want to do is come over to the content pilot and click on add new over here, and then you select articles. You can select any one of your choice. What will be going is articles, and then you start campaign. Then over here, go back to ChatGPT again and click on copy this first one. And paste. And then you copy the keywords over here. You copy the keywords over here and also paste it in here. This is very, very important because this is the news related to this keyword that it will be bringing. So you can just adjust some of the settings you need over here, and you can also adjust it, but this is very, very okay. And then post type, you click on post. Probably you have to make this as draft, so you'll be able to edit and review whatever post before uploading it to make sure your post is correct before uploading. And then you come over to post categories and click on the one you just added. So there's nothing in here, but you can check and also make your selection of your choice. And then you come over here. This place is how you want the AI to be bringing it for you, how frequently you want it, and how many do you want it to bring at a time. So let's just pick this, and then you activate it over here, and then you update it. Alright, after updating it, then you come over to this run campaign and click on run now. See, it is generating, it is searching for news related to this keyword. Now it has generated a post over it. Let's just leave it. It's taking much of our time. You can also run it again to get more of the content. Then let's add all of them. Add new one, and then copy the second one. Just do the same thing to all of them. Then come over here to articles, start campaign. Then you paste it inside here. You also copy the keywords. You can use proper keywords, keyword research to make sure it brings doing all of this, you go back to your post and click on come over to all posts. This was what it was able to generate at the moment, so you just come over here and click on edit. So over here you can edit whatever you want to before uploading the picture, before uploading your post. So just come over and say edit. So you can also, let's say you want to edit this or whatsoever you want to do. So you come over here and click on publish. So right now it has been published, so you go back also and let's do the same to the other one. Come over here and also click on edit. And then let's just edit a little thing. Let's say we want to just remove this. You can edit as you want. You just have to read through to make sure it's exactly what you want, and just click on publish. So what you want to do is just copy your it over here, just our website. As you can see over here, with time it will be generating more and more posts, and you can also go to run them as you want to. As you can see, this is it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content like this. That's how you can be able to do it. You can always go back and run campaign to also get more posts, and with time it will automatically upload posts for you, which will also come to review before uploading to make sure your post is correct.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to also get notified anytime I drop an amazing content like this.